Did you know that overinflating your tires might be putting your safety at risk? Many drivers mistakenly think that pumping tires to their maximum capacity improves fuel efficiency or handling. While it's true that properly inflated tires can boost performance, going beyond the recommended pressure is a recipe for disaster. When tires are overinflated, the tread bulges in the middle, reducing the contact area with the road. This creates uneven wear, meaning you'll replace your tires sooner than expected. More importantly, your car loses grip, especially on wet or slippery roads, increasing the likelihood of skidding or hydroplaning. Here's a scary thought. An overinflated tire is more prone to blowouts. Imagine driving at highway speeds, and suddenly, bam, a tire bursts, causing you to lose control of the vehicle. It's a situation no one wants to face, but it happens more often than you'd think. If you're wondering how to avoid this, it's simple. Always check your tire pressure when the tires are cold, and follow the manufacturer's recommendations, which are usually listed in your car's manual or on a sticker inside the driver's door. Remember, the numbers on the tire sidewall indicate the maximum pressure the tire can handle, not what's ideal for your car. Driving with properly inflated tires doesn't just save you from danger. It also ensures even wear, better fuel efficiency, and a smoother ride. So, are you guilty of overinflating your tires? Or do you swear by the manufacturer's guidelines? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more essential car tips.